I mean, you wouldn't even recognize Altadena. It's like a war zone. The only thing you still see standing are the chimneys. But everything has pretty much been flattened. Really, I've never seen anything like it.
We got the evacuation orders, so they left. I stayed back and tried to fight as long as I could. You know, I stayed until maybe 6 in the morning, but by that time the backyards had caught on fire. You know, the embers were flying, the winds were going 50 to 70 miles an hour, and it was unbearable. I finally had to leave, but it was just a terrible night at that point.
My family dates back to 1915, coming to the Pasadena, Altadena area. And my parents moved up into the Altadena area about 1965. And they were actually the first African-American family to live on our street. The city was one of the first within the 60s to allow black families to move in, but also a large population of black families that owned their homes. There have been 6 generations that within the Pasadena, Altadena area. And it was like an oasis for us.
I lost my house, my mom lost her house, my uncle, he lost his home. My cousin lost her home. A good number of our family are now displaced.
It's cute. She wears skirts. Yes.
I say the help and support has been overwhelming. We're, entirely grateful.
Come back anytime. Come back for the game. For sure.
My cousins, opened up their home, and her house was full of dogs, families, and kids, just to be able to come and, have dinner and be able to talk and laugh and cry with one another. Even for many of us who've lost places, we're still out there helping, volunteering, making sure that we're all being taken care of. Our hope is that, families will rebuild. Altadena will be that strong, vibrant, rich community that we once were.